In this video, we're going to talk about battery life and various options for recharging your Garrett Axiom. Depending on settings, expect about 16 hours of battery life with the Axiom. The battery scale has 4 different pixels on it, each one that represents 25% of the battery life. When the Axiom battery reaches 5% of its life, the bottom pixel will start flashing. The recharge time is about 7 to 8 hours using the supplied 3 amp USB battery charger or comparable USB port. If your detector remains on during the recharging, the recharge time will be longer. A flashing LED on the unit indicates charging, and a solid LED indicates that the battery is fully charged. To extend the life of your Axiom's battery, you should recharge it at least once per year, and it should be charged prior to extended periods of storage. The Axiom comes with a AA-powered booster pack. In the event of a depleted battery, the Axiom can be operated for 6 to 8 hours with this battery booster pack. Clip the pack into the stand below the Axiom cuff. When properly installed, you will hear the booster pack click as it locks into place. Plug in the USB connector. Power the pack with 8 AA alkaline or nickel metal hydride batteries. Note the bottom of the booster pack shows the proper direction to insert the batteries. Now, it's important to know that the booster pack will not recharge the Axiom's internal battery, and this booster pack is only functional when the internal battery has been completely discharged. In other words, when your Axiom has actually run dead, you can use this booster pack to get additional operating hours in the field. A standard 5-volt USB power bank can be used to power the Axiom and/or recharge its internal battery. A power bank with a 3 amp capacity, however, will give you your fastest charging. A great thing about the Axiom is there's various ways of charging from 12-volt batteries. Using these optional cables, attach the black negative clip to the negative battery terminal and attach the red positive clip to the positive battery terminal. Then plug your charging connector into the USB-C port on the rear of the Axiom. Charge time on a 12-volt battery is approximately 10 hours.